Hey everybody, I just wanted to say a quick hello and wish you a happy Easter. This is a special day, and I know it's kind of unusual with everything going on in the world with the coronavirus that this is just unusual times, and it's just kind of weird being quarantined to our homes. And so I just hope everybody is healthy and happy and staying safe, not going crazy. And I wanted to let you know that I have another tutorial that I just completed, and I'm going to show it to you, and it's called eye splashes instead of eyelashes. There's a pun in the title, eye splashes, and this is it. Isn't that beautiful and gorgeous and funky and happy? It's a 9x12 canvas, okay? So let me tell you what happens with the tutorial. It's not free on YouTube like all my other almost 700 videos. This is something I do on a different platform, and the link is in the description below. And the reason I do that is because my heart is to teach people how to become artists, to learn how to paint, not just with acrylic pouring, but also painting with brushes, the traditional way. And what better way than taking classes in your home? The classes are $35, and that's, I think, pretty minimal. And I've got 20 years of experience, and that's what I'm sharing with you. And I help you with no experience learn how to paint step by step. And so the videos are usually an hour to 2 hours. And I don't put it on YouTube because they're too long. And this is very specialized training. I don't edit out stuff. I don't fast forward stuff that is necessary. So everything that you need to learn how to paint is in a tutorial. And some people have asked me, what do you provide with the tutorial? Well, number one, you have lifetime access to the class. So once you purchase it, you'll always be able to go back and play it over and over again. You know, stop and start it, restart it. I don't care if you even take it and you have a class at your house and you do it with your friends and family and y'all watch it together. I'm not worried about you sharing it that way because I want people to learn how to paint, because it's brought me so much happiness. I want you to learn too. So with a tutorial, you get to print out a supply list, and this just explains, you know, roughly what you'll need, you know, like an 8x10 canvas or a 9x12 canvas, acrylic paints, and I always list the colors that I use, but you don't have to use specifically the brand or the colors that I use. You can use something very similar. If you want to change up your colors, you can do that, because I want you to have the freedom to do that. You don't have to have carbon paper. I can show you how to transfer your printout. So this was the printout that came with this eye painting. And I show you how to transfer it onto your canvas with just a pencil. And it's very easy, and it's not hard at all, because people say, I can't draw. You don't have to be able to draw to take one of my classes. For instance, I did an owl tutorial recently. And here is the owl, and you get to trace that owl. So you have the basic shape already that you get to transfer onto your canvas, and then you just paint it in step by step with me. I explain every brush stroke along the way. I show you how I'm mixing colors and shading and everything. So I'm helping you learn how to do the things that you think you can't do, but you can really do it. And that's what I'm so excited about, and I want you to learn how to be able to paint. And just to do something special, because it's Easter and we're all stuck in our homes. And, you know, some of us are getting stir crazy and that kind of thing. So what I'm going to do, this particular tutorial, is however many people sign up for this class, and it's probably just going to be, you know, a handful of people. It's not going to be hundreds, okay? Because my classes aren't that big. I'm not that well known out in the art tutorial world. So you have a really great chance. I'm going to do a drawing and I'm going to give away some free prints to the people that sign up for my tutorials, okay? The tutorial on painting this eye. This is particularly for the eye splashes tutorial. If you sign up for this class, this is, for instance, one of the prints that I'm going to give away right here. This is a 12 by 12 sunflower painting, and actually that's the orientation that I painted it. This is my work that I did a few years ago. And I'm going to do a drawing and give away a free print. And it might be where I give away a free print to everybody that takes the class. I just want to be able to give something to somebody. I love to share and I love to give away some free art occasionally. So this is my chance to do it. So help me give away some free art. Take a class, you might enjoy it. And if you decide that you like doing this, I also have subscription packages where you can do a monthly, a 6-month, or a yearly subscription. And with each tier, you save a little bit more money. And I offer 2 classes a month. So that's 24 classes in a year. And by the end of the year, you're going to be an artist, I promise. So you get to go through the classes and you get to choose the classes and you get to take which classes appeal to you and all that. I've already got almost 24 or so classes in there already, and I'll continually add 2 classes a month. So I hope you'll take advantage of this. I really want somebody to win the print. And I think that you will love painting an eye. I really specifically love rainbow colors. I love color in general, and I just love things that are bright and colorful because they make me happy. So that's why I chose these colors for this painting. And I just looked on Google and just found something I liked. And I said, I'm going to do something similar to that. And so that's what I did. So I want you to be able to paint this painting. You can be an artist. Okay? I also want to give a shout out to 10H Trin H. That's the way they gave me a donation on PayPal, and I really appreciate it. Any donations that I get on PayPal definitely go towards art supplies, to make more paintings to share on YouTube for free, or to do tutorials or whatever. I go through paint like crazy. So I want to give a shout out. I don't know how you pronounce that. 10 Trin, I'm not sure, but thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. So I hope you all have a great Easter week and just stay calm and paint. Paint is very therapeutic. It is known to increase the endorphins and things in your brain that make you feel good. It's good for you health-wise, mentally and physically. So make sure to do some painting. And you will see lots and lots more videos free on YouTube from me, as always, because I'm always going to be adding more stuff. But I would love for you to take this tutorial and have a chance to win a free print as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Hugs.